The ultimate goal of the space was light, airy, sophisticated, and classic. And so that's what you can see throughout the entire space. When the client came to me, she had a lot of major pieces. She is young and fabulous, and she wanted a place to host her family and her friends. You can come in, you can sit back, you can relax, have a glass of wine. It's a beach city, so I was going off of like light and airy vibes, and also splashes of color to really liven up the space, but also keep it a classic feel. It started out as a blank canvas as far as like, it was just white walls. So we painted and we added drapes and we added textured artwork, and it really just elevated the space. She was very open, and that's always fun when somebody's open and not too particular. You know, it was kind of just like, you know, Christina, go in there and, you know, do your thing, I trust you, which is kind of nice. I think that the credenza was probably my favorite piece, just because of like the texture. It has like the brass, and it really ties in the brass light fixtures that were in the dining room. So it's a very open concept space, but it really just all pulls together really nicely. The textures in the frames, like we have the shadow box frame in the living room, and then the pillows are embossed, kind of like with metallic, which kind of glammed it up a little bit, but it's still so subtle from a distance. It's like there's a lot of detail in the fabrics. And now when she has guests over, they talk about how like romantic and subtle it is. But in the day, like as you can see, it's just like bright and airy, and it was really fun to work on this one.